23 ऑगस्टाक गोंय सरकारान ईशा फाउंडेशना कडेन स्वाक्षरी करपाक आशिल्ल्या एमओयूचे नेम आनी अटी जाहीर करचे अशी मागणी टीएमसीन केल्या. तशेंच सरकार सबका साथ सबका विकासाच्यो व्हड व्हड घोशणा दितात. त्याच सरकारान सबका विश्वासाचो लेगीत आस्पाव करचो अशें टीएमसीन मागलां. ते भायर लोकांत विश्वासात घेवन आनी एमओयूत आशिल्ल्यो अटी आनी नेमां अनुसार लोकांची मतां आनी सुचोवण्यो मागयात अशें सांगून टीएमसीचो म्हणयारो ट्रोजन डिमेलोन सरकाराचेर फोग पेटयल्यात. आयकयात.
The Chief Minister of Goa has announced that he is going to sign an MOU with the Isha Outreach or Isha Foundation that will help Goa's agriculture, whether organic, natural, and to preserve and protect the coastline of Goa. Now, TMC demands that the terms and conditions of the MOU should be made public, that public should be asked for their opinions because it will be their fields, it will be they who will have to work, especially in the agriculture sector. And the coastline, what are the things that they are going to do to preserve it, or it is going to be further destroyed. Therefore, if transparency this government is talking, the Chief Minister is talking, they should make these terms and conditions open for suggestions and opinions. They shout from the two rooftops saying that sabka saath, sabka vikas. They should include sabka vishwas. Take everybody into confidence and make it transparent. The Chief Minister appeals to people to come and participate in large numbers. I would like to remind the Chief Minister, participation is an interaction from both sides. Is there going to be allowed a question answer session, or it will be a sermonizing on one side of the likely benefits that this MOU will get or this organization will bring for us? It is our demand that the government makes this clear, so that opinions, suggestions be taken, and then the government can, of course, finally decide. Another surprising thing is, agriculture being involved, the agriculture minister does not figure in the list of dignitaries announced that would be present for the MOU. The Chief Minister has to clarify on this.